Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy coins on TikTok in 2023. So as you can see, I'm now on TikTok and I'm in my settings on privacy tab. So as you can see, you need to go to your settings and then you need to tap on balance. So as you can see, tap on it and let it load. And as you can see, this is my balance. So I have 0 coins. And yeah, you can see your transactions and you can get help and feedback if you want to, but here you can also buy coins. So as you can see, my first recharge package, get extra coins on 99% of a unique gift. So you can tap on get, and as you can see here you can choose between coins. So now it's cheaper because it's my first my first package. You also can see your live rewards. So yeah, I did not make any money, of course, but yeah, that is possible. You also can go tap on other and you see no balance available if you are a creator, or you can just tap on get coins and recharge your balance. So as you see, 22 coins is 40 cents. You can check that, and it becomes cheaper. The more coins you buy. So you can just tap on the 40 cents, and this will redirect you to a payment method, and this way you can pay and buy the coins, and this will be added to your account. These coins will be added to your TikTok balance. So when you bought coins, you can see your transaction history, so you can filter it a month or just on a specific date, all types, and as you see, you can filter from a lot of things, rewards from campaigns, from video, from live, a lot of things. So that's really useful. So it's very easy to buy coins. Just tap on get coins, or if you have never bought any coins before, tap on this offer. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.